This meditation will take you on a very relaxing journey. It will cleanse you, restore your chakras, and bring your entire energy system into harmony and balance. Allow your eyes to comfortably close and come down into your breath, into your body, relaxing your belly and softening your mind. Feel the support beneath you. Connect to the ground below you and let it just take your weight away. Become aware of the sounds around you, the music. Let it support you and be around you. Notice the light and the shade in your mind's eye. Notice the air touching the surface of your body. Sense the sky above and the horizon stretching all the way around you. And the earth below is supporting you. Allow your mind to empty what no longer needs to be there. Let it go. Flow out and away. Allow your mind to release what it no longer needs to hold on to. Let it go. Flow out and away. Draw yourself back from where you've been in your day. Draw your energy back home to your center. Ground yourself in this moment, here and now. Sense the space around you. Breathe into that space. Become aware of the rise and fall of your breath. It's coming and going, coming and going. Be aware of the sensation, the sound, and the temperature. Now breathe down to where the weight of your body rests, the base of your spine, your root chakra, the chakra of belonging. Breathe into your root. Let it soften and gently expand on your breath, taking in nourishment and life force energy. Allow your root to connect down to the ground below, deep into the earth. And invite in the color red, the color of earth. Bathe your root with red, empowering, embodying, and grounding you in the here and now. Let your root take what it needs and say the words, I am here. I have a right to be here as I am. The earth supports me. When you're ready, allow your awareness to move up to your belly, just below your navel. This is your hara, the sacral chakra of emotional intelligence, choice, creativity, movement, and pleasure. Breathe into your hara. Let it gently soften and expand on your breath. Taking in nourishment and life force energy. And invite in orange, the color of the setting sun. Bathe in that orange, balancing and motivating light. Let your hara be fed and say the words, I honor my needs. I allow myself to be nourished. when you're ready, move your awareness up to the soft area just below your breastbone, your chakra of personal power. Breathe in here and allow your solar plexus to soften and expand on your breath. Invite in the color yellow, the color of sunshine. Bathe your solar plexus with sunshine, replenishing, restoring, and nurturing. Letting your solar plexus take what it needs as you say these words: I value myself. I am enough. I am more than enough. When you're ready, bring your awareness up to the center of your chest, to your heart chakra, the chakra of self-development and unconditional love. Gently breathe into your heart, letting it soften and expand with your breath. And invite in green, the color of spring. Bathe your heart center with nourishment, renewal, and healing. Let your heart take what it needs and say these words: I am greatly loved. I allow myself to give and receive love freely. I am nourished by the power of love. In your own time, move up to your neck, to your throat, your chakra of self-expression and personal will. Allow your throat to soften, expand, and breathe, inviting in blue, the color of sky. Breathe sky into your throat center, clearing, opening, softening the need for control, freeing self-expression and creativity. Let your throat take what it needs and say these words: I hear and speak my truth. I express myself freely. I allow myself to go with the flow of life. When you're ready, take your focus up to your forehead, between your eyebrows, to your third eye, your chakra of wisdom and intuition, allowing it to soften, expand, and breathe. Inviting in indigo, the color of the night sky. Bathing your third eye with indigo, soothing, balancing, bringing clarity, insight, and understanding. Let your third eye take what it needs and say the words: everything is unfolding as it should. Moving up in your own time to the top of your head, to your crown, your chakra of oneness. Allowing your crown to breathe and gently invite in light violet, bathing your crown, balancing, restoring, harmonizing. Let your crown take what it needs and say the words: I am one with the universe. I am one with the whole. When you're ready, come back to yourself, to the ebb and flow of your breath, back to your center. Breathe into your core and say the words, I am whole. I am perfect just as I am. Allow the energy of the words to bathe your body, your mind, your emotions, and your spirit. Take what it needs. And in your own time, become aware of the air on the surface of your body, the sounds around you, near and in the distance. Close your chakras down just a little. Having that intention is enough. Become aware of the support beneath you, noticing how you feel, and hold yourself with loving kindness for the beautiful, unique being you are. And when you're ready, draw this meditation to a close.